Hey everyone, want to sound more like a native speaker and less like a textbook? Then this video is for you. Today, I'll teach you 10 real English phrases that native speakers use in everyday life, but you'll never find them in your grammar book. Learn these and your conversations will instantly sound more natural, casual, and confident. Let's go. 1. What's up? Means hi or how are you, but more casual. Hey, what's up? Use it with friends, classmates, or coworkers. 2. I'm down. Means I agree or I want to do that. Want to grab lunch? Sure, I'm down. 3. No big deal. Means it's okay or it's not a problem. Sorry I was late. No big deal. 4. Hit me up. Means message me or contact me. Hit me up later and we'll hang out. 5. I'm good. Means no thanks. When someone offers you something. Want more cake? Nah, I'm good. 6. It's on me means I'll pay for it. Lunch is on me today. 7. You bet means of course or definitely. Can I count on you? You bet. 8. Same here means me too. I'm super tired. Same here. 9. I feel you means I understand how you feel. This project is so stressful. I feel you. 10. It sucks means it's bad or unpleasant. I missed my flight. Oh man, that sucks. Practice these in voice notes, role plays, or daily chats. Don't just memorize. Use them and they'll become part of your real English. So now you've got 10 real-life English phrases that'll make you sound way more natural. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell so you never miss a lesson. And if you want PDF phrase lists, bonus dialogues, and exclusive live sessions, become a member today to unlock full learning perks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.